Say happy birthday.
Waking up, I'm feeling like something's broken in my mind. I wonder if it's all a dream or make-believe. And don't compute or register underneath this pressure. All these eyes that turn their way to me. I feel like it's the time of my life, cause I don't wanna overthink this time. No, I don't wanna.
Birthday, Lola Tuti!
Birthday, Lola Tuti. Sing it out.
How about you? We wish you good health, more birthdays to come, and sana na-surprise ka sa birthday party namin para sa'yo. So, again, happy birthday. We love you.
More birthdays to come and more jogging pa. Birthday! Hi! Happy birthday, Mommy! And syempre kay Kuya Saiden, sabay yung birthday niya today. Pero syempre important yung kay Mommy, 65 siya, and kay Kuya naman, 37. Ayun, sobrang thankful lang ako kasi since bunso ako lagi yung usual mo nakakasama sa bahay. Kasama mo kasi nag-aaral pa ako and lahat sila may work na, may family na. Siyempre, may mga apo ka na rin and I just wanna thank you for being the best mom. Aside from that, I know you love us all very much and you do your best for the family, for us every day. Especially, thankful ako pag inaayos mo yung mga uniform ko and everything that I need for school, you provide for us. And I just hope you enjoy this day, syempre. And I love spending time with you always. I love you, Mommy, and Kuya Sai. Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Ma. Ma, thank you sa lahat. We hope na ma-enjoy natin yung birthday natin. And hindi ako prepared. Patanda na tayo ng patanda. Di syempre, dapat yung health natin, alagaan natin lalo. And we wish you more birthdays to come. Para mas ma-enjoy natin lahat ng magiging yung ano pa natin. Yung apo pa. Siguro. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Good health lang lagi sa'yo and thank you. Lalo na sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa amin, lalo na kay G and sa buong family. Thank you.
Happy birthday,
Mommy.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka sa party and sana na-surprise ka namin. Ang hirap kasi magplano kasi lagi kang nandyan sa gilid-gilid eh. So baka malaman mo, ganyan-ganyan. So yun, wish ko sa'yo sana mag-birthday mo na madami at less trip sa hospital, sa doktor, ganyan. Alagaan mo yung health mo, okay? Baka makasama ka namin ikaw ng mahabang-mahaba. Love you, Mommy!
Ayun, so thank you sa mga lahat na bigay ng time para maka-attend sa surprise birthday party namin kay Mami and kay Kuya Sai. So, again, thank you very much sa lahat. Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!
Reasons that I left off trying to be the version of myself that I wanted.
Hi, Mommy and Kuya. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana marami pang blessings to come and more birthdays. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy, Kuya! Ingat kayo palagi. Enjoy your day today.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Mommy,
birthday,
Kuya.
Mommy and Kuys!
Happy birthday! Sayang wala ako sa important day ng birthday mo kasi nasa palarong na sa 65 ka na. hoping marami pang birthday dumating, no? Kaya Maritza yung 100 years old. Happy birthday ulit. Hope masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. At binigyan ka ng magandang surprise ng mga anak mo. No? Hindi mo alam, no? Jollibee pala kayo ngayon, no? Alam mo, check up lang. Happy 65th birthday ulit. Sa iyo. On the go. On the go. On the go.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Where I started from.
Thank you talaga sa mga anak ko, sa inyong lahat. Tinapad niyo pa rin yung pangarap ko na nagkaroon ako ng Jollibee Party. Thank you! So again, thank you Lord sa 65 years ng buhay ko na masaya talaga. Na sana pa, umabot pa ng habang mamabot. Thank you very much. I love you all!